Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's online lesson. Yesterday, we looked at our home countries and we looked at different sort of aspects of them, and we created a sort of fact file with pictures and things like that. Now, today, we're going to be doing something very similar, but we're going to be looking at another country, or you're going to be choosing them. Now, there are going to be focuses on countries that you guys have as home countries. So we'll have a look at the Philippines, we'll have a look at India, we'll have a look at Egypt. So your learning intention today is, can I find facts about another country and compare? So you're going to be looking at your home country, looking at another country that you are going to research yourself, and you're going to compare them. What's the same, what's different, okay? And with that, when you are talking about what's the same and what's different and why, you're thinking about why that is. So you're not saying, oh, well, this has got this and this has got that. So it's hot, it's cold, but so you are finding the similarities and differences between the two countries that you have researched.